Welcome back to the channel. Every day feels like an adventure where we witness scenes you'd think only exist in the movies. Today's video is packed with jaw-dropping moments that will make you say, wow, hold your breath, and leave a lasting impression. Let's dive right in. Garner, North Carolina was suddenly pounded by huge hailstones that fell like nature's hammer, smashing everything in their path. Oh gosh.
My brand new 2019 Honda Ridgeline, sunroof and swimming pool inside. I like that.
Back windshield gun?
Yeah, it's almost a convertible at this point.
A barge suddenly collapsed and sank during loading. Fortunately, the crew jumped clear in time. In a dramatic race, a speedboat lost control and crashed into the shoreline barriers.
Whoa!
In Peru, the spectacular collapse of the Valunaraju Glacier was caught on camera. Climbers nearby witnessed this rare and unforgettable moment. A terrifying scene, a tiny boat tossed helplessly among towering waves, trapped in the ocean's fury with no escape. When Hurricane Zeta slammed into Louisiana, strong winds ripped a warehouse from the ground and left it tangled in the trees, a chilling reminder of nature's force.
A ver si no empieza a arrastrar los coches. La combi con todos esos escombros.
Hail turned the streets of Mexico City into rushing rivers, a dangerous scene that reminds us to prepare and stay safe during extreme weather. Floods in Middleton left boats as the only way to get around. Commuting has never looked this wild. Florida was battered by hail, and high winds leaves shredded streets, covered nature, proving once again how unpredictable it can be. When hailstorms strike, the safest place is inside. Never risk being caught outdoors. Eastern Queensland was pummeled by hail, heavy rain, and fierce winds as a massive storm system formed overhead. Chaos at a Russian intersection. A trolley bus collided with a tram. Thankfully, no serious injuries were reported. In Cartersville, Georgia, a freight train plowed into a semi-truck stuck on the tracks. The driver escaped just in time, a chilling reminder of the dangers at rail crossings. A terrifying scene in Springfield, Ohio. A Norfolk Southern train derailed, shaking the entire area. Always make sure your vehicle is road safe. Do you check yours regularly? Intersections are risky, as seen when a tractor lost control and knocked down a power pole. Overloaded on a steep incline, a truck tipped off balance. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but it's a warning about safe cargo limits. Don't just focus on the road ahead. Accidents can strike from behind, so always keep distance and stay alert. In Texas, ice fell from above and smashed into cars. Always stay alert in freezing weather.
Oh my God. Holy crap. I hope nobody's walking on the road. Don't walk on the sidewalk.
In Kyoto, shards of glass rained down from the station ceiling after a powerful storm. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Security cameras caught a barrel rolling across an intersection in extreme winds. Never underestimate the power of nature.
No. Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna check to see if they're okay.
Do you know what causes a tornado to form? Drop your guess in the comments. In a dramatic thunderstorm over New York, a massive lightning bolt struck right beside the Statue of Liberty, terrifying yet magnificent, like a surreal painting in the stormy sky. Typhoon Guchol swept through Tokyo with fierce winds. Even umbrellas stood no chance. Always stay cautious when storms arrive. Torrential rain and powerful gusts shook everything across eastern Florida. The storm's force was undeniable.
As we speak, getting rocked. Getting rocked.
Oh gosh. Wow. At sunrise, giant flying foxes soared over a Queensland beach, a rare and dramatic display of wildlife.
There's massive bits of hail hitting us at the moment.
Sydney faced a violent hailstorm with ice pounding the water so hard it looked like the ocean was boiling.
Balls. Bit crazy out here.
In Raleigh, North Carolina, residents rushed for cover as hail and strong winds hit without warning. A stark reminder to always check forecasts and be prepared. Oh Lord.
Dust devil, it's probably 50 feet across.
On the northern Utah desert, a giant dust devil swirled dangerously close to an onlooker, debris flying everywhere in a terrifying sight.
That's one of the bigger dust devils I've ever seen in my life.
It's pretty big.
Probably she's 34, so she probably isn't more. 34. That probably is more. That's good right there. Get out.
A gustnado appeared right in front of a car near Knott, Texas, moving in the same direction, a truly nerve-wracking moment caught on camera. Raging floods tore through Ellicott City, Maryland, leaving the entire town in chaos. A harsh reminder of the danger of sudden downpours. A truck was trapped in raging waters, a life-threatening moment. Thankfully, brave rescuers pulled a woman to safety. Leave a like to honor them. Powerful waves crashed into Ilfracombe Harbor in North Devon. Always keep your distance. Never stand too close when waves are this strong. Tides and storms flooded the marsh roads in Wales, making travel extremely difficult. If you think this dedication is amazing, drop a like below. A crab-friendly vehicle rolled gently through a crimson sea of migrating crabs, a rare spectacle that left everyone in awe. Thick snow blanketed Surrey, British Columbia, turning the town into a frozen wonderland. Snowplows carved through massive drifts in southeastern France, hit light to cheer them on. Snow piled high around vehicles made moving nearly impossible. Oh my goodness. Thankfully, a motorcyclist braked just in time to avoid disaster.
Bueno, el frente llegando a Cruz de Tejeda. Ya está evacuado.
Oh my goodness.
Por ahí quedaba alguna persona por dentro, pero en principio está evacuado.
Firefighters battled fierce flames in the forests of northern Italy, hit like to send support to these silent heroes. A massive cargo ship accidentally pushed a small wooden boat under proof of why it's critical to keep a safe distance from large vessels. The sea shows no mercy. Always check your equipment and stay alert. One mistake can turn into disaster.
This is hectic. Holy sh**.
A drone captured a heart-stopping scene shark swimming just meters away from paddleboarders off the Hamptons. Too close for comfort. Beneath the deep blue, a humpback whale breached, waved its tail, and danced in the water, a breathtaking display of freedom. A male dragonfish carefully carried pink eggs in his mouth, a devoted father of the ocean. At the Good Neighbor Day open house, strong winds caused an air show stunt plane to spiral out of control and crash unexpectedly. Flybe Flight E1284 from Edinburgh had a tense landing in Amsterdam. Landing gear failure combined with strong winds sent the plane slamming into the runway. Terrifying footage, an explosion inside a building in Mexico City after an earthquake, you won't believe your eyes. Oh my goodness. An unbelievable sight in Veracruz, a massive mall surrounded by floodwaters after the storm hit. Oh gosh. Relentless waves pounded a lighthouse in Wales, looking as if they could swallow the entire structure. If you were driving and saw ducklings stranded on the road, what would you do? Stop to help or call animal rescue? This otter looked like it was throwing a bachelor party, leaping with pure joy as it returned to the wild. At an air show in West Sussex, a plane went down onto a crowded highway, a chilling reminder that danger can strike even at public events.
Oh dear.
In Pacoima, California, a small plane came down in the middle of a busy street. Thankfully, no injuries were reported. In just seconds, police pulled a driver from his car before a train slammed through. A brave act that saved a life. Red-hot lava rushed down the volcano's slope, captured up close in a stunning scene. As spectacular as it looks, lightning in Mississippi is always dangerous. Have you ever been through a thunderstorm like this? Share your story below. And in Queensland, bolts of lightning tore through the night clouds, turning the sky into a dazzling light show. Breathtaking for anyone lucky enough to see it. Majestic elephants walk deep into the forest, leaving massive footprints behind a powerful journey through China's wild landscape. A live backcam stream let viewers watch the daily life of flying foxes, offering a rare glimpse into the wild. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe. Summer in Prineville turned chaotic when a powerful hailstorm pounded the town, with massive ice stones leaving the streets in ruins. In Al Jaff province, a violent hailstorm shattered car mirrors and windows the sky, unleashing its fury. Lake Elsinore turned hauntingly red as flames devoured the hillside, smoke billowing into the sky. In moments, nature became a terrifying sea of fire. Northern California shook under the Mendocino Blaze Mountains, glowing red-black smoke filling the sky. Molten lava from Kilauea poured into the crater lake, glowing bright red against the night sky. Do you know why lava glows red when it erupts? Take a guess and comment below. Off the coast of Florida, a manatee was spotted with a school of fish trailing behind it, a truly unique sight. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have feedback or want to see more in future clips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss the amazing moments ahead. See you soon.